that was definitely a wrong turn.
Where are we?
I don't know, but look! There's a light at the end of the tunnel!
Come on, let's go check it out. Hubcaps. It's an ancient racetrack.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Come on, let's go take a closer look! I don't think anyone's ridden on this track for 100 years!
Blaze, check it out! There's a sign!
Look! This sign says that the road is full of traps.
Ooh!
But if you can make it to the end of the track, you'll find a wishing wheel! A wheel with the power to make one special wish come true.
Whoa!
That's amazing!
Hey guys, I have an idea! Why don't we go find the wishing wheel? Then we can all make a wish together!
Yeah! Do you think we can do it, Blaze?
Sure we can. If we work as a team, there's nothing we can't do.
All right!
Race cars, rev it on!
To the wishing wheel!
Oh yeah! I'm a hydraulic spreader monster machine!
Go for it, Blaze! See if you can break that spider web now! It's working! Yeah!
We did it! Blaze! Come on, let's go help the other race cars.
Nice going, Blaze.
Woo! I am free!
You saved us.
Yeah! All right!
What was that?
Uh-oh, the trapping spider is making one last trap, and it's his biggest, strongest web yet.
He's trying to block the exit and trap us all inside the cave.
What do we do?
That spider may be strong, but it's not stronger than my hydraulics.
Go for it, Blaze.
You can do it! Let's help Blaze use hydraulics to bust apart that giant web. Shout, hydraulics! Hydraulics!
Oh, yeah!
All right.
Yeah, Blaze.
Hey, racers, check it out! That sign says we've gone 99 miles! Yeah!
That means we're only 1 mile from the finish line.
Oh no, but Crusher is way ahead.
I'm gonna win the 100-mile race!
Hang on, everyone. Lug nuts! The snake trapped us.
But if we can't get out of here, we won't make it to the wishing wheel!
And we won't make a wish.
Oh no, no way! I am driving out of here right now! Uh-oh.
Well, at least you tried.
Oh, now we'll never get to the wishing wheel!
Wait a second. I see a way to get us out of here.
How, Blaze?
We just need centripetal force.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
The snake is wrapped around us in a circle. So all we have to do is race around the circle. And if we go fast enough, the centripetal force will be strong enough for us to get all the way to the top.
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Well, sure, but who can go that fast?
We can with blazing speed. To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze! Oh, yeah!
We did it!
Chicken soup.
To turn me into a race car, say, race car! Race car!
Wow! You did it, Blaze!
Oh, yeah! Now let's find out just how fast this race car can go.
Check it out, Blaze! Now that you're a race car, the air is moving right around you.
Nothing's gonna slow us down. We're aerodynamic! It's over, Speedrick. Time to hand over the key.
Huh. You may be faster than me, Blaze, but I'll never give you the key!
He threw the key, and it's headed for the lava.
There's only one way to grab it in time. We need blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze! I got it!
Yeah!
Now we just have to get this key back to our friends.
Swoops!
Hey, you two heroes! I thought you might need a ride.
Swoops, you are right on time.
Next stop, Velocityville.
Oh.
Hey, everyone, look!
Blaze and AJ are back!
And we got the key.
All right! Yeah!
Let's hear it for Blaze!
Oh, this is the worst. Now all those guys can go fast again. I liked it better when I was the only one who could go fast and... the tire lock? Get it off, get it off, get it off! Ah!
Shovels away!
Ooh, shovel digging deep.
Check it out. It's making our velocity go down to this number. What number is this? 0!
Look! We're stopping!
Yeah!
Ooh! And wait till you see what's down there! It's the racetrack!
Come on, follow me!
Now we're back on track! Eagle Rock, here we come!
Race cars!
Ready up!
Look! There it is! Eagle Rock!
Sorry, slowpokes. No one's beating this race car to the top.
Oh, man! Crusher's almost at the finish line!
Looks like it's time for some blazing speed. To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
There's the finish line. I'm about to win.
We did it!
We won the race!
And best of all, we did it together. Race cars, ready up! Gaskins, look! Swoops' rotor is flying right through those clouds.
But those are storm clouds, and they're making huge bolts of lightning. Lightning starts when the drops of water inside a cloud bump into each other.
The bumping makes a kind of energy called an electric charge, and that electric charge shoots out of the cloud as lightning.
Whoa!
If we want to catch up with that rotor, we've got to stay away from the clouds that have an electrical charge inside. Those are the clouds that make lightning.
Careful, Blaze! 2 clouds up ahead.
Look carefully. Which cloud has an electric charge? That one, yeah!
Quick, go the other way, Blaze!
All right, we steered away from the lightning.
2 more clouds, straight ahead.
Which cloud has an electric charge? That one!
Yeah!
Get ready, more clouds. Which cloud has an electric charge? That cloud! Yeah!
We made it!
And look, there's the rotor. It's just up ahead.
Uh-oh, but it's almost at the end of the sky track.
This is our last chance. We've got to grab that rotor before the sky track runs out.
We need blazing speed.
To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze! We got it! Yeah!
Hang on, Swoops! We're coming!
Look! There's Beedrick! He's headed toward that mountain!
That's no mountain. It's a volcano!
Volcano!
We better get that key back before he gets to the top. AJ, give me some speed! Woohoo! Hello, Speedrick.
Ah, you're back! This cannot be happening.
We're coming for that key, Speedrick!
Oh, yeah? Well, you'll never get it, 'cause I'm too fast for you, remember?
You may have beaten me once, but you won't beat me this time, 'cause now I'm aerodynamic. I hope you're ready, because we're about to be in the 100-mile race.
Blaze, look! Our friends from Velocityville are racing too! Blaze!
Hey, buddy! Bender! Dash! Rally!
Glad you made it.
We wouldn't miss this race for the world.
Race cars to the
on, everyone! It sounds like the race is about to start.
Wow! What a day to be a race car, huh, Crusher?
You said it, Pickle. Today's the 100-mile race, and this race car is here to win.
100 miles! Jeez! Well, for a race that big, you're gonna need a snack.
A snack? Ooh, gimme.
Now, let's see. Ooh! How would you like to eat this?
A birdhouse? Pickle, that's not a snack.
Okay, fair point. But I bet you're gonna want to eat this!
A shovel? That's not a snack either.
Ooh! Well, then maybe you'd like this!
A hot dog. Now that is a snack I can eat.
It's a shoe hot dog! Yummy!
Good luck out there, guys.
Thanks, Blaze.
You too. Right back at you.
Excuse me, future winner coming through. Race car Blaze, you're here?
Hey, Crusher. See you at the finish line.
When I say go, the race begins. First one to 100 miles wins. On your marks, get set, go!
Look, it's snowing. When water drops inside a cloud get really cold, they freeze and turn into ice. And when the ice pieces stick together, they get so heavy that they fall. That's snow. Blaze, look over there. Swoops his rotor.
Come on, AJ. Let's follow it. Uh-oh. The rotor keeps knocking snow off those mountains. It's causing an avalanche! Phew! That was close.
We've got to do something. Swoops' rotor is getting away.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's use that giant ice block as a ramp. If we drive fast enough on a ramp, we can jump over the snow pile.
Yeah! Let's go for it. To jump over this first snow pile, we need to drive this fast. What number is this? 9! Yeah!
Help me speed up to 9. Count to 9 with us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9! We made it!
Get ready, Blaze. There's another snow pile ahead, and it's even bigger.
To jump over this pile, we've got to go faster than 9. We need to accelerate to this number, 14.
Count to 14 with us. Start at 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14! All right!
Well, come on then. Let's get down there and join the race.
But that's a race for race cars. And in case you hadn't noticed, we're not race cars.
Well, I can take care of that. Engineering race cars. Slick tires. Supercharged engine. Aerodynamic shape. Now, to turn me into a race car, say, race car! Race car! Oh, yeah!
Awesome! Whoa! I've gotta try that! Darington! Ha-ha! I'm a race car!
All right, now we're ready to race.
Not without me! Race car crashing! Yeah! I look so cool and so fast and so wee! Uh-oh.
Look at us, Crusher! We're race cars! Is that a spoiler? We've got spoilers!
Hello, racing fans! I hope you're ready because the race to Eagle Rock is about to begin!
Sounds like you guys better get to the starting line.
Hiya, racers!
Wow, that Blaze sure is fast. His friends look pretty fast, too.
Woo-hoo! Good luck!
But this race isn't over yet. If we hurry, we can still win! Yeah!
Teamwork trophy, here we come!
Rudy, look! It's the finish line! Nothing can stop us from winning now! Behind us? What are you talking about, Rudy? There's nothing behind us except... Blaze and Sparkle!
Great racing, teammate!
Oh, I can't let them beat me and Rudy! I've got to stop them!
Crusher blocked the racetrack!
Our team's only chance is to go super fast and do a really big jump.
Looks like it's time to use blazing speed!
You ready, teammate?
Ready!
Help give our team blazing speed. Say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
And the winning team is Blaze and Sparkle!
Oh, yeah!
We did it, team! We won!
Congratulations! That was some amazing teamwork! And amazing teamwork deserves an amazing prize! It's the Teamwork Trophy!
Look! The trucks on the trophy are moving! Look! They're making fireworks!
Fireworks that look like us! But there are a lot of holes in the ground. To grow our beanstalk, we need to plant it in a hole that's the same shape and size as the bean.
Right! They have to be congruent.
Come on! Look carefully at the bean and this hole. Is this bean the same shape and size as this hole? No, they're the same shape, but not the same size.
Quick, let's try another one.
Is this bean the same shape and size as this hole? Nope, it's the right size, but a different shape.
What about this one, Blaze?
Let's see. Is the bean the same shape and size as this hole? Yeah! If we turn the bean around, we can see they're the same shape and size. They're congruent.
Whoa! It's working!
The beanstalk's growing all the way up through the clouds. And there's the fast magic.
Uh-oh, but if we don't hurry, Queen Fastine's gonna get there first.
Then we'd better climb this beanstalk super fast with blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
stop me now! Not even Blaze! That's impossible!
All right! Oh, yeah!
We got it!
Now let's get this fast magic back to our friends. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the world's biggest and only pizza delivery race.
Pizza delivery race?
To win, racers will speed through a jungle and deliver pizzas to hungry monkeys. Then they'll zoom through the snow and deliver pizzas to penguins. And finally, they'll race to the finish line for one last delivery, a pizza for the world's hungriest elephant. It's the Great Pizza Race! Racers, get your pizzas!
Hey, I've got an idea, AJ. Why don't we join the race too?
Us? In the Great Pizza Race? Let's do it!
Come on, let's grab some pizza and get to the starting line.
Boy, oh boy, these racers sure look fast.
Fast? Ha! None of these racers can deliver pizza faster than me.
Wow! You heard it here, folks. A confident Crusher is sure that he can deliver pizzas faster than anyone, including Blaze.
Blaze?
Hey, you Crusher.
Good luck in the pizza race!
Get ready. Countdown to start the Great Pizza Race in 8 seconds. Count down with me. Start at 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
There's just one Space Bighorn left. Help us look for him. When you see the last Space Bighorn, say Space Bighorn. Space Bighorn!
Change course direction!
Nice steering, astronaut AJ.
Nice flying, Spaceship Blaze.
And look! See that planet? That's where the finish line is! Oh no! But Crusher is almost there!
I'm gonna win the space race and be the champion of the universe! Me! Space Crusher!
Aw, we'll never win the great space race now!
Hey, don't give up, aliens. There's still a way we can win this race.
But how?
By flying with the most thrust we've ever had.
Yeah! We'll use blazing speed!
To give me and my alien friends blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
I'm so close! All I need now is a picture of myself winning! Say cheese!
We did it! We won the Great Space Race! Look! Crusher's rocket pack has 3 off buttons. If we can press those buttons, it'll stop flying.
And there's only one thing that can get us high enough to push those buttons. An incline!
Remember, Inclines make it easier to go up someplace high. And if we drive up an incline really fast, it'll send us high into the air.
Hey, look! Those rocks have inclines. If we drive off the purple rock, we'll go this high. And if we drive off the brown rock, we'll go this high. Which rock will make us go higher? The brown rock! Yeah!
Hey, what do you know? They pressed one of the off buttons, but there are still 2 more!
Quick! We need to find another incline.
Look! Those sand piles have inclines.
If we drive off the yellow pile, we'll go this high. And if we drive off the red pile, we'll go this high. Which pile will make us go higher? The red pile! Right!
Look at that! Only one more button to press! And they'd better press it fast before I crash into that water tower!
Quick! We need to find one more incline.
Check it out! Those old railroad tracks make inclines.
If we drive up the blue tracks, we'll go this high. If we drive up the green tracks, we'll go this high. And if we drive up the purple tracks, we'll go this high. Which tracks will make us go the highest? The green tracks!
I didn't crash!
Glad you're okay, Crusher.
Hey, y'all! Up here!
It's Starla.
Hang in there, Starla! We'll find you!
Activating X-ray photons! When you see Starla, say Starla. Starla! Hang on, Starla!
All right! Thanks, partners!
Now we just need to find Zeg.
Sounds like he's in one of those traps.
Activating X-ray photons! When you see Zeg, say Zeg. Zeg!
Way to go, Blaze!
You saved us all from those vacuum traps!
And look! There's the championship trophy!
And that flying fetcher's running out of power!
Now the trophy's on top of that building!
Uh-oh! But Crusher almost there! It's finally gonna be mine! All mine!
We've got to hurry if we're going to get that championship trophy before Crusher takes it. Time to use blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's
I'm about to get the trophy!
You did it, Blaze!
You saved Trophy!
To smash through the rocks, I need even more mass.
Hang on, Blaze! That sounds like the gorillas. They're here to help too.
Thanks, gorillas. Let's see what my mass is now. Is that the number 100? Yes! I'm 100 tons!
Hang on, everyone. It's smashing time.
Way to go, Blaze!
Thanks for the help, everyone.
Blaze, look! It's the smoke from the fire.
We've got to get this water to the firefighters fast.
Activating Big Rig Blazing Speed.
To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
Go blaze!
Uh-oh, I'm out of water.
Me too! So am I!
But look who's here! It's Big Rig Blaze! Release the water!
He did it! The fire is out!
First, let's find a ramp that'll get us to that rock over there. Let's see. If we drive off the white ramp, we'll move through the air with this trajectory. And if we go off the blue ramp, we'll have this trajectory. Which ramp will get us to the rock? The blue ramp, yeah! It's got the right trajectory.
This way, Gormy! Follow us! Oh, rock!
Nice jump, Gormy!
Gormy Gorm.
Now let's look for a ramp that can launch us to that rock over there. If we ride off the purple ramp, we'll go through the air with this trajectory. And if we use the green ramp, we'll have this trajectory. Which ramp will get us to the rock? The purple ramp! Right!
Okay, Gormy, here we go!
We made it!
Gormy, Gormy, Gorm.
That's right, Gormy. Just one more jump and we'll be at the battery.
Let's look. If we use the blue ramp, we'll have this trajectory.
If we use the pink ramp, we'll have this trajectory.
And if we use the yellow ramp, we'll have this trajectory.
Which ramp will get us to the rock? The yellow ramp, yeah! Way to use trajectory! Yeah!
We got the last battery!
Gormy Gorm.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. I think this volcano is about to erupt!
Gormy Gorm.
And look, Gormy sees the way out, but it's all the way up there.
Hop in, Gormy. I'll get us there super fast with blazing speed.
Gormy.
To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Heads up, guys! The octopus is about to blast more water.
Here come 2 drops.
And 2 more. How many drops are there altogether? 4, right! 1, 2,
3, 4!
We got him! But get ready. The octopus toy is about to blast even more this time.
2 drops, plus 1 drop, and 2 more.
How many drops are there altogether? 5! Yeah!
Ready?
Set,
Observe! 1, 2, 3!
4, 5! Yeah! We did it! Now there's only one thing left to do. Press that green button and shrink that octopus.
But we better hurry! It's getting ready to blast the most water yet!
Come on, Watts. It's time to use blazing speed.
Oh yeah!
To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
finish the race if we can't get to the other side of the track.
Don't worry, Stripes. That chomping robot can't stop us. We've got lion and tiger jumping power.
Yeah! Lions and tigers are both great cats. And great cats have super strong leg muscles that let them jump really far.
Ready, Stripes?
Ready!
Great cats!
Jump! All right!
We made it!
Now let's keep going, but be on the lookout. Chompy the chomping robot is still out there somewhere.
I hear it.
Help us look for Chompy so we can jump over him. When you see Chompy up ahead, say Chompy.
Chompy!
Yeah! Nice jumping!
But be careful, everyone. Chompy is still out there somewhere. If you see Chompy again, say Chompy.
Chompy!
Keep on the lookout. When you see Chompy, say Chompy.
Chompy!
Almost there, guys. Just a little farther.
If you see Chompy again, say Chompy.
Chompy!
Yeah!
We're back in the race!
What? Albert Blaze and his friends still catching up? These guys won't quit! I've got to do something. I've got to cheat. I've got to break this bridge!
Please, look out!
Oh,
This bad. This really bad.
You can't beat me now. I'm up here by the finish line, and you're stuck all the way down there.
I hate to say it, y'all, but Crusher's right. The only way to make it across is to jump for it.
But no monster machines ever jumped that far before.
Looks like we're not gonna make it to the top of the world after all.
Oh! Wait a second, guys. We can't stop now. We're monster machines, and monster machines never give up.
So what do we do, Blaze?
We're gonna keep on rolling, and I've got an idea how. If we use blazing speed, we can all jump across together.
Amazing!
Come on, I need you to give me the most blazing speed I've ever had. Enough for me and all my friends. To give us blazing speed, shout, "Let's blaze!"
Let's play!
Queen Fastine made these giants fall asleep.
And now they're blocking the road, so we can't get past.
Well, we can't go around sleeping giants, but if I drive fast enough, we can jump over them.
Yeah, let's go for it.
To jump over the first giant, help me go a speed of 5. Count to 5 with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
All right!
We made it past the first giant.
Whoa! But this next giant looks even bigger. To jump over her, we'll have to go a speed of 7.
Count to 7 with us.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Yeah!
We made it!
Now there's only one sleeping giant left.
But it's the biggest giant of them all!
To jump over this last giant, help me go a speed of 10. Count to 10 with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
We did it! But Blaze, what about the sleeping giants? How are we gonna wake them up?
I think I've got an idea. Rise and shine, giants!
Good morning. Thanks for waking us up, Blaze.
Blaze, look! It's the magic key! We've almost got it!
But it looks like we're gonna have to get past one last magic spell. A spell that makes giant bubbles! Whoa! Yeah! Phew! We're gonna need something that can pop those bubbles.
Hey, I know! Let's use geometry to make a sword!
First, we'll need 3 triangles. To make 3 triangles, say 3 triangles. 3 triangles!
Now we need 2 rectangles. To make 2 rectangles, say 2 rectangles. 2 rectangles!
Last, we need 4 parallelograms, like this. To make 4 parallelograms, say 4 parallelograms. 4 parallelograms! Oh, yeah! We made a monster machine sword!
All right!
Let's go pop some bubbles!
Way to go, Blaze! Now there's only 1 bubble left, but it's floating away with the magic key inside.
Well, that key's not getting away this time, because we've got blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Man, how are we gonna get past these pinching plants?
Hey, I've got an idea. What if we look for something to help us bounce over the plants?
Yeah! Something with a lot of elasticity. Check it out. Things that have elasticity change shape when you push or pull on them.
And then they go right back to the way they were. And that force is what makes you bounce.
Hey, maybe one of these has enough elasticity to bounce us over the plants.
It's a cardboard box and a trampoline.
Which one's bouncy, the box or the trampoline? The trampoline, yeah! It has a lot of elasticity.
Go for it, Blaze!
We did it!
Yeah!
Hubcaps, more pinching plants.
Come on! Let's find something with enough elasticity to bounce over these pinching plants.
Ooh, what about one of those?
Let's see. There's a spring and a pipe. Which one's bouncy, the spring or the pipe? The spring, yeah!
Let's do it!
Here I go! We just have to get past these last pinching plants.
And we're gonna need a lot of elasticity, because those are the biggest pinching plants yet!
Hey! Maybe we can use one of those!
Yeah! Which one's bouncy? The basket or the rubber ball? The rubber ball! Right!
Time to use
Look, Blaze! More tunnels!
I wonder which way the knight went this time.
Oi! I saw the knight. He went through the tunnel that has a flag with 2 squares.
Which flag has 2 squares? That one! Right!
Look! There goes the knight!
Hurry, Blaze! Uh-oh! Where could he have gone this time?
Blaze! Blaze! It's a princess! I saw the knight. He went through the tunnel that has a flag with 3 triangles.
Take a look. Which flag has 3 triangles? That one! Yeah! Thanks, princess! There's the knight!
Now's our chance to fix him once and for all.
Yeah! Just so long as we get to the knight before the knight gets to that money boat!
Hang on, mechanic team. It's time to use blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Good heavens! I've stopped! You've done it, Cabby! I'm fixed! Oh, I'm fixed!
Hubcaps, we've got to get the prizes out of those snowballs. AJ, give me some big rig speed. Those snowballs have to be around here somewhere.
Come on, help us find him. When you see a snowball, say snowball.
Snowball!
Woo-hoo! We got some of the prizes.
Just 3 snowballs left to find.
Help us look for them. When you see another snowball, say snowball.
Snowball! Yeah!
Only 2 snowballs to go. If you see another snowball, say snowball.
Snowball! There's only 1 snowball left.
When you see the last snowball, shout snowball.
Snowball!
Hurry, Big Rig Blaze. The prizes are headed for that cliff.
Big Rig Boards! We did it! We saved the prizes! All right! We turned me into a hot air-blowing monster machine!
Wow! Look at you, Blaze!
Hold on, Darington. This hair dryer is heating up and ready for action.
It's working,
melting the ice into water.
Hey, look! My tire's free! And my other one, too! You did it! I'm free! Thanks, you guys!
You're welcome, Darington.
Boy, I wonder who made that sound.
Wasn't me.
Me neither.
Huh. And it wasn't me, so it must have been that guy.
Look, Nuts! That's the biggest bighorn I've ever seen!
Let's get out of here! This way, fellas! Follow me!
Yeah, let's do it! What a ride!
Switching to visor view. If we drive up this purple ramp, we'll go this high. And if we drive up the steeper orange ramp, we'll go this high. Which ramp gets us to the top of that ledge? The orange ramp! Yeah! It's steeper, so we'll go higher.
Let's do it, AJ.
It worked, Blaze! We made it!
Whoa! Blaze! AJ! The vines are starting to break!
Gaskets! We have to get to Stripes fast!
Over there! A green ramp and a yellow ramp.
Which ramp gets us to the top of that ledge? The green one! It's got just the right steepness.
Go for it, Blaze! All right, we made it!
Oh no!
Hang on, Stripes!
Look! 2 more ramps! Which ramp gets us to the ledge? That blue one!
Oh, yeah! Whoa! Stripes is barely hanging on!
Hurry! Just one more jump!
Check it out! 3 ramps! Which ramp should we use? The red one! All right, AJ, give me some speed! Gotcha!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nickelodeon's Blaze and the Monster Machines YouTube channel for new videos every week.